Thank you for joining us for this second edition of the Quick Hit video series presented by Eaton Wiring Devices. Today we're going to talk about the 5-leaf contact design of Arrow Hart Extra Heavy-Duty Receptacles. Let's begin by saying that straight blade duplex receptacles are the most common type of wiring device. And even though they may all look basically the same after they're installed, there's a different story going on behind the wall plate. You can see some of those differences in these cutaway photos. Have you ever tried to plug something into a receptacle only to see the plug hanging loose or even falling out of the wall? It can happen as the receptacle ages and the contacts begin to lose their ability to hold on to the plug. This is caused by the contacts deforming and losing tension with repeated use over time. As you can imagine, this is a serious problem in situations that require a high level of reliability, such as in hospitals, data centers, industrial services, and some critical commercial applications. Eaton recognized the need for receptacles with long-term reliable plug retention, so we developed a unique 5-leaf contact design to meet this challenge. Most manufacturers utilize 3-leaf contacts in their high-end receptacles. These provide excellent plug retention when new, and the performance is adequate for applications with light to moderate service duty. But after time of frequent use, they begin to lose a significant amount of the spring force that holds onto the plug. Let's examine how these contacts do their job. Note how the vertical blades of a 15-amp plug are pinned between the flat surface of one leaf and the edges of the other 2 leaves. 20-amp plugs are rarely used, but here we see how the horizontal neutral blade is held firmly between 2 leaves on the left. It stands to reason that the larger contact surface area on the left will yield a greater retention force. This is what inspired the Arrow Hart 5-leaf contact design used in our extra heavy-duty receptacles, which is available in both industrial and hospital grades. Note the unique configuration of the 5 leaves. The vertical blades of a 15-amp plug are held between the flat surfaces of 3 leaves. This provides a much greater contact surface area, resulting in superior plug retention. Additionally, the spring force is enhanced by dimples formed into the base of the leaves, which provide more consistent pressure over a long period of time. The 20-amp neutral blade is held firmly between the 2 leaves on the left. Test results show that even after 5,000 cycles of plug insertion and removal, simulating about 3 years in a typical hospital environment, that the Arrow Hart 5-leaf contact design maintains a 40% greater plug retention force than comparable 3-leaf designs. By the way, this test report is available upon request. In conclusion, Arrow Hart 5-leaf contacts provide superior plug retention over the life of the receptacle. This performance is especially valuable for any application that demands long-term reliability. Thanks again for joining us. If you're in the Gulf region and want to learn more about this or any of our other products, please contact our agent in your area. There's also a link to each agent website in the section below this video window.